How to make TikTok videos full screen. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page of TikTok. From this page, tap on the plus icon from the bottom panel. It will take you to this camera page. Tap and hold the record button to record a video. After you finish recording, release the button. After that, you need to tap on this icon from the side panel. Here, you can make changes to your video. Then, tap on the preview option. After that, you need to choose the option Rotate from the bottom panel. It will place your video in landscape. Then, hit the next button at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on the Post button over here. After the video is uploaded, tap on the Post button and you can view the video in full screen. So, by following these steps, you can make TikTok videos full screen.